Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Vultr VPS for WordPress with Nginx. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Vultr website and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the products section from your dashboard. Click on the Deploy New Server button to start the server setup process. Choose the server type, selecting Cloud Compute for a VPS. Next, select your preferred server location from the available options. Scroll down to the server plan selection and choose a plan that fits your needs. Now, choose your operating system. For this tutorial, we'll select Ubuntu. You may also want to add additional features such as auto backups or DDoS protection. After configuring your options, click on Deploy Now to create your VPS instance. Once your server is up, note the server's IP address as you will need it later. Now, connect to your VPS using SSH from your terminal or command prompt. Enter the command SSH root at your _server _IP, replacing your _server _IP with the actual IP address. Once connected, update your package lists by entering apt update and press enter. Follow this by upgrading your installed packages with the command apt upgrade and press enter. Next, install Nginx by running apt install Nginx and confirm the installation. Start Nginx using the command system start Nginx to have it running on your server. To ensure Nginx starts on boot, enter system enable Nginx. Now, open your web browser and type in your server's IP address. You should see the Nginx welcome page, confirming that it is properly installed. Next, we will install MySQL to manage your database. Run apt install MySQL server to install the MySQL server. Secure your MySQL installation by entering MySQL_secure_ installation and follow the prompts. Now, let's install PHP by running apt install PHP fpm PHP MySQL. After this, you will also need to install. Look for the line cgi.fix_pathinfo and change its value to 0. After configuration, restart PHP by create a new server block configuration file in /etc/Nginx/sites available/ using your preferred text editor. Within this file, add the server configuration specifics, including your server name and root directory. Link your configuration file to the sites enabled directory with lns/etc/Nginx/sites available/ your _config_file /etc/Nginx/sites enabled. Now test your Nginx configuration for syntax errors by running nginxt. Navigate to the document root directory with cd/var/www/html. Download WordPress by running wget https://wordpress.org/latest.tar.gz. Extract the WordPress archive using tar-xvzf latest.tar.gz. Move the WordPress files to the web root with mv wordpress/star. Set the appropriate permissions by running chown or www. Also, create a MySQL user by entering create user wp_user at localhost identified by your _password. Grant the user access with grant all privileges on WordPress *towp_user at localhost. Flush the privileges by entering flush. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.